Welcome to Pythonic, and today I will show you how to find exchange rate for any currency in 5 minutes with Python. So first of all, let's find a free IP which produce some exchange rate for us. So go to open exchange rate gates. We've got free rate which give you 1000 IP requests per hour, per month, and let's calculate what it is. So 30 days per month multiplied by 24 hours, it's 720 hours. So this 1000 requests per month is enough to have hourly rate for our storage. So now let's register on this website. So I will hide my credentials. When you register on this website, you just need to confirm your email address. So now let's confirm our email by clicking the link from this IP gate, and let's go inside the account dashboard. So go to App IDs and see this is your application ID. So you can have up to 2 IDs, 2 IP addresses, but this IP is used for mine purposes, so you can use it for connecting and taking information from this website. What also they have? This is the example of how to use them. So this is list of currencies they have at the moment. You need to copy this request and use it from your computer. Or if you click latest, they give you information how to use the IP for accessing the information. So if you try from this website, they say it's from IP. You need to specify your IP. Okay, but you can use this address to your Python script. This is a list of their currencies. So for example, we're looking for Vietnamese dong, and we'll change Great British pounds. Okay, let's do it. We will use Python library requests with import requests. So this is how it's look like. Full URL, it's open exchange gate, then IP, then latest.json, then question mark and IP ID. So and here give your own IP which you receive from this registration. And now response is just request, you need to use request and get this URL. But remember, every time you do request get, it's reduce your available IP request for this month. And now let's check. If response status code is 200, then we will convert it to JSON. Otherwise, we will raise an error and say what the response code is. Maybe something wrong happened. Okay, I've done some typo, but I will not rerun it with correct name. And this is what we've got with JSON. So everything is here, and let's see our Vietnamese dong. Yes, it's here, VND, Vietnamese dong. Okay, so res give good information what's inside. Now let's write conversion function, because the base unit is USD, US dollars, then we need to convert it. So by default we receive this data from response, our sum, and currency in and currency out. So if sin is not present in our data race, we raise an error. If cout is not present in our currency, we can raise an error. And then we convert our sum to USD first by dividing our sum by rate of our currency, and then we convert it back to our currency of interest. This is called cross conversion. So and then print it with a 2 point after the digit. It's standard banking operation. Try now $100, it worked. $10, it will convert $10 into $10. Looks fine. Now let's convert to 125 Great Britain pound to 1 dong. It will be 4 million. And let's try PHP or Filipino peso, and it will produce about 9,000 of Filipino peso. That's it. Of course, you need to think how to store this data and update it only every hour, but it's quite easy technical question. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and wait for a new interesting video.